In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a note in Google Keep. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a note, how to bring it back if you change your mind, and how to clear it forever when you're sure you're done. Start by opening your browser and heading to keepgoogle.com, then sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you use more than one, so you're looking at the right set of notes. On your Keep board, find the note you want to delete. Move your mouse over that note to reveal the controls. At the bottom right of the note, you'll see a three-dot icon labeled More Options. Click that to open the menu. In the list that appears, choose Delete Note. The note will disappear from your main view right away, but don't worry, it isn't gone for good yet. Deleting a note sends it to the trash, sometimes called bin, first. Here's what that means in practice. Deleted notes stay in trash for about 7 days. During that time, you can recover them if you changed your mind or deleted something by mistake. To do that, go to the trash or bin section in the left sidebar. Open the note you want back and select Restore. The note will return to your main notes exactly where it belongs, with its content intact. If you're confident you don't need the note anymore and want to remove it permanently without waiting, you can do that from the trash as well. Open the trash or bin and choose Empty Trash to remove everything in there at once, or select Delete permanently on an individual note to erase just that one. Keep in mind that permanent deletion can't be undone, so double-check before you confirm. A few quick tips to keep this smooth. If you don't immediately see your note in trash, give the page a moment to refresh. If you're organizing a lot of notes at once, it can be helpful to restore first, review the content, and then delete again if needed, so you're absolutely certain. And if you're working across devices, remember that changes sync to the same Google account, so anything you delete on the web will also be reflected on your phone or tablet. That's it. Quick, clear, and under your control. Delete the note from your main view, recover it from trash within 7 days if needed, or remove it permanently when you're sure you're finished.